We don't need to say anything. We just sit here. We're just getting ready for the new truck. Oops. And we're gonna just see what we got. What are we opening first?
You want to do coolers?
Yeah, let's just try the coolers. What's in that? What's in each box? So we got a cooler.
This is the jig, the Kreg wood jig.
Oh, you got one of those?
Yeah.
Sweet. All
Yeah.
right.
So got that. This is the diesel heater.
Okay.
This is Chelsea's pick on the cooler. This is my pick on the cooler.
All right.
Here. I believe this is hers anyway. Cooler number 1.
What is it? How do you even spell that? Or say that? Megiu?
Chelsea, how do you say this?
The Megiu? Megiu?
Megiu.
Anyway, see the link in the description.
Yeah, see the link in the description. Not sponsored.
Yeah.
Looking for sponsors. This hasn't been the cheapest thing that I've ever done. Oh, that's heavy.
That looks cool. Open her up.
Yeah, let's see what it's about.
Get the old B-roll going.
Yeah.
All right.
And is this is like an electric one?
This is a plug-in electric.
Oh. Oh.
It's stuck.
It does not move, folks. That thing does not move. Can you take it out?
That's what I was trying to do.
No, it does not want to come out, so you're stuck with
it's
that right there.
It's taped in there.
Tape.
It's just taped in there. Instructions.
Oop. Berto.
Oh, multiple charging. Multiple ways to charge.
Okay.
That's what we got there.
Does it have a battery?
No.
No.
It's
So
got to be
constant
It's got to be
power?
plugged in. Both of them are like that.
Okay.
Megiu car fridge portable 12-volt refrigerator, 19 quart.
Megawatt. I bet it
Has
plugs in down there.
DC AC.
Got a
Plug in.
right there. Comes with everything you need.
Gets down to as low as negative 18 degrees Celsius and positive 15 degrees Celsius, whatever that is in Fahrenheit, people.
Okay.
Probably put that on the screen here.
Yeah, there you go. Whatever that means right there. So you all can see. We'll get in a little closer.
Okay. Is that?
I think that's the Megiu.
Okay.
Where'd you get it?
Amazon.
Amazon. All right. How's that feel?
It feels cheap. It feels like this thing's heavy. Did you lift this up? That one's heavy compared to that. This motor. This one's on the side. The cooling unit's like inside it versus this other one. So let's put the Megiu back. Where'd the thingy? The topper? Is it broke already? Oh, it's right here. Oh, that doesn't go back in there. Okay.
What do we got next? What's this?
Next
What's this
up.
one called?
Next up is the AooDen electric car cooler and warmer, 26 quart, 12 volt, has AC DC plug as well.
already like that one. Black.
Black and orange.
Black and Decker.
This one's more like a
Oh,
cooler.
right. Nice. Oh,
Oh, so is that the front?
That's
back,
how that
whatever,
works.
That's the back. Call it.
so what is that? You got AC, DC, DC, AC, hot, cold. Oh, so you can keep stuff hot in here?
Yeah. So this one has a warmer.
All right. That's pretty neat. Pop that sucker open, man.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I was coming to you.
Oh, that doesn't stay open by itself. That doesn't stay open by herself.
Maybe take the plastic thing off of that.
Yeah.
Thing. Huh. Has it got a kickstand?
No, nothing. A little bit of instruction. Charge cord.
Cool.
That thing would need adjusted, eh? Something keeps
Something.
making noise. Oh, it's a seal. Or it's this.
Oh.
That's weird.
Wonder if.
That one you can get up and take with you somewhere, though.
Yeah. Is that so? That one's also constant power type deal.
Yeah. What does this one do? This one doesn't get as cold as the other one either, if I remember right. It's bigger though. I don't know if that really makes any difference to us. And it's lighter. Cooling down to 30 to 35 degrees. And that one was negative 18.
Huh.
So that one will get down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Where this one will only get down to 32 to 35.
Huh.
Which
Good
we
to
don't
know.
need a freezer.
No. We'll just keep stuff cool.
Yeah, we'll see. This is our building jig. Kreg, I think that's how you say it.
Is it the pocket hole jig?
Pocket hole jig.
Cool. Amazon special. See what we got. Oh, you got the nice one. Shoot. Okay.
$100. Comes with what? Instructions, some screws, different sizes and flavors, a unit.
Cool.
No idea. Some
Biscuits?
what would you call those?
I
It's
don't
where
know.
you drill when you drill the hole out. It's to replace or to put it back in there so that it like hides the hole.
Gotcha.
I don't know what you call that.
Bryson wants to come say hi. Get camera shy.
Whatever that's for.
Hi.
Is this your YouTube channel?
So today we're gonna open some stuff.
Yeah. And a tool.
Okay.
Okay, here.
So,
What's this?
so we're going to do some stuff. Look at my house window. You want to put it?
Oh, the actual bit.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's gonna be fun. Ready to start building.
What do we got down here? Diesel?
Diesel.
Diesel heater.
Diesel heater. From Amazon.
Amazon special diesel heater.
This is also sold at Home Depot. I bought one that was sold at a major manufacturer to try and avoid some cheapness, I guess. This is made by Civil 12 watt 8K diesel heater. You can find these at Home Depot as well. Jesus.
Are you going to link these products below?
Oh yeah. Well, there'll be a link in the description. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. If you guys have ever used this in the past, let us know how it is because we have never done it.
Yep. Never ever. This is the for the heat portion.
It's the thing that coils and
It's
it
the
does.
vent. It's like the vent.
It blows the air where you
Where
want
the-
it to.
It's one of these right here.
Thingamabob. Great.
The thing,
one
you
of
know, the
those.
vent. You know the vent. It's where
the
the
vent.
vent comes out.
Oh, it might need a third arm.
Yeah.
Ooh, this looks actually kind of legit.
Well, there's a remote.
Holy Toledo!
It just fell out. It's the instructions. Well, that's a real manual, a real big manual. It's the remote. Turn it on from the comfort of your
Your cozy little bed.
sleeping bag. Oh.
Ooh, that's actually pretty nice. So it's got a control panel.
Yep, control panel.
I assume that's the blower, maybe?
Yeah, that's where the heat is going to come out.
Cool. And it's diesel?
It is diesel. It is diesel. I got dogs and kids.
Yeah,
And
this is what it's like.
that's what it's like living here.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's self-contained.
Self-contained, it's got its own little thing.
Yeah. It's got a fuel pump, diesel reservoir, and then the heater.
Sweet. What's
Sweet.
this back here?
That's your power.
Oh, so that's where you hook it
That's
up.
where we hook it up from our.
Can it lay sideways?
No.
No.
I
so
don't
it's
think
got-
so.
Lay it, keep her vertical.
Yep. Oh, that's gonna have to do something.
Maybe it just needs to slide in nicely.
Yeah, just that screw's not in there all the way. It doesn't look like. Oh, there it goes.
Wham bam.
Oh, dear God. Someone help me. Hopefully we don't have to work on this because neither one of us are diesel mechanics. If this doesn't work, plug in and go. We're going to be in trouble. Is that locked in? Bolts to
That's
the
a cool
floor.
little unit, though. Is that the exhaust?
Yeah, so one's an intake and one's an exhaust, and this is what everybody always says is like, I think this one's the exhaust, and it's right next to the fuel line.
Oh, that's kind of scary. We just
We'll have
push
to
it out
look.
of the way and then just call it good.
Yeah, and we'll probably need to get some like heat tape.
Oh,
Here's all the shit. Here's all the things. Never cut towards yourself, kids.
this is everything you need to install it, or what?
Yeah. So there's your wiring. This is an exhaust. All your bolts, and this is for your intake, your clean air. There's the exhaust and the. So that's your exhaust. There's for your intake, and that is for your heat.
Cool. That's exciting. Oh, does it bend?
Yeah, I think so. I think they all do. A little bit. More like mold, I guess.
Cool.
Yeah, well, there we go. That's going to be interesting.
There's Teddy.
Camping dogs. Oh man, Nolan Carter, that's gonna be the freaking rodeo, I think.
All right, well,
All right, there it is.
very good. Next episode, we'll tell you what we're actually doing.
And what are we gonna do with all this?
Yeah. We're gonna build the ultimate camping rig.
Ultimate camping rig.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you later.